Oh.
Come a wee bit closer. You never know, it might work. Look at it. It's just watching us, Claire. I bet it hates you. It does hate me. It wants me dead. Colin, your camera's better than mine.
I know.
Well, people who comes up at first and
Do you want to hold my camera for you? Because I can't afford holding it.
Okay, why am I holding it?
Because I can't afford it.
Yeah.
Whee!
Oh, it's quite big, isn't it?
Oh shit, it's coming closer. Oh, it's gone.
No,
Oh, there you can see it.
Where's it going?
Other
Oh, it's
side.
coming the other side. About fucking
I
time.
want it now in case it comes back. Oh wow, imagine if it appears like right there.
That'd be so cool.
Hang on, you're going to get a little bit of water.
Oh, he's there! Oh, he's coming down to see us. Isn't that nice?
Are we sure?
He's bloody loving it, isn't he? Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, man. Oh, Jesus Christ.
That's awesome, man.
Hello.
Hello. Bastard, you sold me.
Oh shit, he's coming closer. Fuck, he is, isn't he? Just a bit, man.
It's like he's performing.
He's gonna splashes, isn't he?
Hello.
Oh, he's so cute.
Isn't he?
Yeah.
You never seen many seals when we were at the boat. Basking sharks.
You saw basket sharks? Oh Jesus, I don't like them.
He was totally looked at you. He was like, when did
ready for a wave there?
Jesus, no.
Yeah.
Sharks eat seals, you know.
Massive. He never looked so big.
Oh, that's not nice. Bye.
Yeah, so that was bigger than that seal that was stuck in the rock there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This was fun.
It's the waves, no. The waves that hit that are bouncing back.
They're grey seals, aren't they?
Are they? They're grey seals, aren't they?
Well, they're harbour fishing boat seals that are back.
I mean, I'm going to
Honestly. Does anybody know?
I think you only get grey seals up there, don't you?
I think
You
it's so
do?
different though, Stuart, the different species. You know the one we're talking about, the one that was in the rock and on
Aye, but that was a young
I think it
one.
was just a baby.
Aye.
In the river Aire. That was mental.
Aaron, that were just really small.
Aye. Aye, you can
Maybe
get
they're
just small
babies.
ones, but...
Maybe they're babies, I don't know enough about them.
Oh, that was nice. Did anybody else think that was fun? I thought that was fun. I liked it. They're very nice.